Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. This is going to be a very short video, just an update on what I have given you guys before. So last week, I gave you guys a sell on AU, GU, and EU. That was when I told you I expect DSY to be bullish. If you were able to catch it, congratulations. I caught some sales with my team. I sent it to the group, and I believe most of them were able to get in on the sales. I gave them 2 sales on AUD USD. This was the first one that I sent. I think it is more clear on the 4 hours here. This other block tapped into it. Then we got another entry. I think that would be on the 2 hours. Yeah. So when this broke again, I gave this sell. So this was when I sent the signal of that second entry. We got the first entry already. Yeah, this was when I were in profit on the second entry as well. I told them we are in profits, we can break even now. So this was when the second entry gave us the TP I showed. This was the TP of the second entry that we caught. But overall, the main trade I gave them just hit TP this last week. So this was the second entry. That was the small one here. I think I actually marked it up on another. So this was the first entry, guys. I think I marked this up on the Rwanda broker. Perfect. So this was the second entry I gave them. I think it was not clear on the, is it 30 minutes? Oh, I think it's 15. Perfect. So this was the second entry I gave them. That little red candle that was there, that was what I told them that we should use, and it came there and tapped us down. A good one ratio, 9.2. But the overall trade itself on the 4 hours that we were trading actually hit TP2, which was this. So coming this next week, I'm still expecting this market to come down. If I see another sell conviction, like right now, I am looking at one. So I think I can delete this now. Please do your own analysis, guys. Do your own analysis. Make sure you do your own analysis. I repeat that. So right now, because I'm still expecting this to go down more, I will be watching this very closely. This little indecision candle. I think it's there already. But to be more careful, I can just move it to that little blue candle there. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, this one. So is what I will be looking to see if I can get in on that sell all the way down more. But I've already gotten some good trades there, so I will be careful. So it will be something like this. Yeah, my stop loss just above here, 20 pips is okay. And I can just target this below. So it's just this low. Although I'm expecting the market to come over, then a good one ratio 4.82 is okay. So that's what I will be looking out for coming next week on AU. GU didn't tap me in actually like AU did. It just kept going down. I was expecting it to come here. I had my sales limits down, but just left all this place and started doing its thing. But I just left it, honestly. I have no trade active on GU. I just watching it, and I will allow it to just do its thing. EU, on the other hand, was so sweet as well. Tapped us in nicely on the 4 hours, right? Tapped us in nicely on the 4 hours, and we've been in profits. We even got another entry. I think I got another entry here. Yeah. Was it 15 minutes? Let me see. Yeah, it was a 15 minute here. It was a good break of structure, tap us back down, and it was a good, nice trade. I think this was the sell I had there. I actually deleted it after we hit TP. I think it was from here, and no, this was my stop loss, the reset high, and I was targeting this low. Yeah, I was targeting this low. So that was a good 4.1 to 4.9 risk to reward ratio that I got on you. But the overall sell that I have is still active. It's still active. So I'm allowing that to still run because I'm still expecting it to move down. So I'm not in any rush. Not in any rush, guys. And like we can see, I think on the 2 hours, we have something like double bottom here, which is liquidity, giving us more confirmation that the market is still going to come down to clear this liquidity. And we still have a lot of trend line liquidity down here. So there's nothing to worry about this trade. This was the initial overall trade on EU. Stop loss here before it taps us in. And real one we are looking for is for it to just come all the way down here. I think this first low here. So I'm still holding on to this. I still believe it's going to give me what I'm expecting. Or if you find a good place to join the sell, please feel free to join in and try and ride it, at least to swipe this liquidity. So that's what I have on USD pairs. That's what I have. Euro GBPCHF, guys. I told you guys this thing broke structure, tapped us in, has taken a while. EURCHF already ETP. It already ETP. So we had a nice trade here. I just canceled it this morning, but let me show you. Yeah, EURCHF, this was the trade I sent to the group. It tapped us in and we were trying to get somewhere here. I think it was a 1:6 risk to reward. And we got that TP. Immediately we got that TP. We were expecting the sell, so we were out of the trade. So because of that, I'm expecting the sell here. I will be waiting patiently for the market to come into this consolidation zone before moving down. My first TP will be this blue line. My second TP will be this. However, I'm expecting it to come all the way down here, but I won't be greedy. I will target this. Then if I'm lucky, I will target this. So that's what I have on EURCHF. AEDCHF, same thing. We have a break of structure, a little consolidation here before the break of structure. The market is right around there. I'm expecting it to swipe this liquidity and tap us in before going down. Euro NZD just broke structure to the upside, so I'm expecting this to actually ride up. So that's all I'm going to give you. The rest and the full trade will be sent to my group. I think I've tried for you guys. So basically those are my pairs that I trade frequently, and that's what I have on them. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. And thanks for sticking to the channel. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.